Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today we'd like to double check what's going on with the pump token. Targets updates with my customer set. Let's dive in. All right, guys. So once again, the pump it's because of Upbit announcement about a listing. So how usually the Upbit listing affect the price of tokens in the next few days or maybe weeks, you already know. So time to buy pump was here in the first zone of interest. Here, this is absolutely the same model, guys. So this chart absolutely the same. This is just a local update. So here was the first zone of interest, first, second, and two next one. So it's one zone. Basically, we got two zones, but potentially four limit orders. So like 1, 2, 3, 4. So can we drop again to the best zone to buy, guys? Everything possible in crypto, absolutely everything. So token sale round. I remind you again. Here it was a launch pool free, so 0.2024, 2 and 4, and 0.204. And we dump it basically to that round on a max. Here, around June 25 on the max was lowest level. I don't know why the same date but different prices. I have no idea what the difference, right? And we dump it here to that level and bounce it from that level perfectly well. And now the road is straightforward to test this block. It's a zone of fixation swing trade. So usually, you know, guys, if you watch a tutorial, free tutorial, you can find it's after 100%. You withdraw initial deposits, some swing trades, you fix it here. Next step for the pump, I already showed you that realistic, just my personal opinion, it's around this block. So 3 cents can be top of this stock and for this run if some miracle happened with this stock. We saw the buybacks from the team, a lot of positive news, and now any single token, if we'll see the altcoin season, you know, and the BTC dominance finally will drop under 55, for example, under 50 maybe percent, any token will pump, any token. And it's not about these tokens are great. No, it's just because of the liquidity, flow and outflow. So correction after, for example, this move, correction, weekly open is 0.2048. Zones absolutely relevant. It's a monthly open 0.2033, and I'm not sure we will drop to that zones, but it would be good to see something like this one to keep the uptrend structure and going higher in October, November, guys. What I don't like now, the sentiment on the crypto markets, like we are in the crazy altcoin season. Do you feel it? Do you feel do your portfolio satisfied, right? So you open your portfolio, do you satisfied with that profit of crazy altcoin season? Of course not. Of course not. Of course, depends of your entry. And once again, I remind you guys, this cycle on the hard mode, and there is no dump money like on 2020, 2021. People stuck in old narratives and in old patterns which playing out in the previous cycles. Now we got 40K random shit coins launched on pump fund a day. So there's no liquidity to pump every single token the same way like it was in 2021. So it's just impossible. We need a lot of time to pump the 10x token, 20x tokens. Yes, we got some pump stories like a Max Finance. But there's some shady story with the A-drop. So the team just sent the A-drop 170 million and just now pump the tokens together with the market makers. So be careful with that tokens. But I think the realistic price target for the pump can be like 3 cents. It can be the end of cycle for this token. I already explained it. It's just my humble opinion. Locally, weekly open, monthly open test of this block, possible to see. In this case, we're going to form the double bottom, global double bottom on a weekly time frame, you know, and the roll will be open to straightforward to the 1 cent. Yes, 1 cent now will be like attractive number for a pump. Can we go straightforward from now? Of course, guys, everything possible. You just follow your plan. So the first plan was shared after listing. Accumulate here. if you believe and if you want to accumulate this token. I skipped the pump fund because I don't want to accumulate a pump fund. I'm not a fan of this platform. I'm not adapted of a Sol ecosystem. No, that's why I skip it. Will I buy this token if this token dump to the monthly open once again to the 0.5? I'm not sure. I think if the pump fund will drop from this level to 0.5, I think the other tokens also will dump. So maybe I will choose another one. So now my eyes on Avalanche, ICP, and the Near protocol. So 47%. Honestly, I don't think so. We will drop, but everything can happen. So zones of interest, guys, still relevant. Just go and check the first video what I shared before. Weekly time frame, guys. Here, this is a will be format, I guess, the weekly gap. So it's 0.2046 and 0.38 level by fee per 0.2037. So this is a gap what we can test, but it's not unnecessary. So we will test because here, this zone is like a magnet. Sooner or later, believe it or not, but we're going to test this block. Just a matter of time when. But nobody can know the timing, you know. We can stock in the range, for example, for a few weeks. Nobody can predict the time. We can work only with the zones. First zone, second one. When? We can't know. Maybe we trade 1 year like this one in a range. Open the chart of hash flow and take a look how long we traded in that zone. Open the chart of ENS, Ethereum name series. We traded 3 years based on this model and still not invalidated, still not reached the target. Just a wide 3 years range. That's why, guys, never say never for any token. Don't listen all of these comments, every single token now. Buy the deep now. You're too late, we go into the moon, and all of this absolutely nonsense stuff from the crypto bros. Just, guys, stick to your plan and follow a plan. If you got a plan to buy a pump here, now you can easily withdraw initial deposit. Forget about this token, add take profit line at 1 cent, 2 cents, 5 cents, even if you $1 if you believe in $1. That's it. So plan still relevant. What will be next after Upbit listing, we can't know. But correction would be good. So here we got now seller pressure. Today is Thursday, so before 17 September, you know, we will see some correction, I guess. Here's 17 is Fed decision rate, and till that time, yes, we can see even the 0.2037. This one. Now it's a distribution based on ADZ direction. ADZ indicator, direction, no signal to sell yet. At 12 time frame, here was accumulation. You saw everything in the previous video. Now it's distribution, but we can form a divergence, you know. So the positive case, guys, if we continue move higher, you know, and form divergence, just like this one, and form crazy divergence by end of October or middle of October and hit, I don't know, 1 cent, 2 cents. So this is the case, but we can't know now. For me, more logical, it's dropped to this area. I'm not bearish, you know, because the people all the time complaining under the videos. So, oh, you're in every single video bearish. No, maybe these people just listen what do they want to hear, right? So they just listen some bearish targets and stick to that. Oh, you say something bearish. I say the both case scenarios, you know, it's not a safe play. We have to build the plans. If plan A, I will be ready to buy only in this area. If we stock it here, I'm not touching this token. So that's a plan. And at the end, the plan can be right or wrong. And if we move higher, I do this. So that's the point, guys. The first plan, relevant and playing out perfectly good. At this area, being also like a bearish, I showed you the target and we landed to that target and bounced it from that one. Over than 200%, I guess, right? From the bottom. So if we count like this one, 185. Nice one. So, but at least it was a logical plan. Logical, not a gambling. Also, based on direction indicator, here's some signal to sell. So Yes, some whales will gonna fix it. Some whales gonna fix it after the Upbit listing. 4-hour time frame, all this time period, I'm more than sure, guys. I'm more than sure there is hundreds or not thousands, dozens of insiders inside this token, and they knew it's something before. That's why here, since the beginning of September, the pump it higher, and they distribute their bags because they knew something. And I'm more than sure they got the information about a potential upcoming listing on Upbit and put the price to 0.206 and start fix the profit, because they need retails who will buy higher. But zones accumulate in distribution, absolutely the same. The main mistakes is just in FOMO trying to catch some ride by luck. Yes, of course, you can get a luck and maybe the token will stop in consolidation and go higher. Maybe, but feel the pain if you will now, without any reason, just by FOMO buy this token, and the token will dump 40%. So you invest like 10K and you get like after a few days 4K down. Because there is no logical reason, not even one. Market mode, guys. This is a totally free on 4-hour time frame. 12-hour time frame, totally free. Time to buy was here. This is a disbelief retest. Totally total disbelief, now totally free. So it's not a right time to buy. Also, time to buy was here. Everything I showed you in the previous videos, so you can track it, everything by yourself, or use just custom yourself this one, add alerts and wait the disbelief area, and just take additional steps with this data. Now it's a free, so it's not a right time to hop in. Money power, guys, take a look the insiders, how they work here. 2 days in a row, the insiders distribute their bags. And after that, they push the price higher, because I'm more than sure they knew about the listing. Oh, and Binance US listed yesterday. Nice one, you know. After the pump, crazy, right? How they manipulate the price, manipulate the post and the media. So why they not list that token here? Why? It could be the bullish one. Event, bullish, you know, like a driver. No, they accumulate in silence here, put the price higher and start, oh, here, the Binance United States listed this token. This is the bullish, but it's usually not bullish. They use that news to distribute their bags. So unfortunately, guys, this industry is so weird, so weird. 12-hour time frame, here's a accumulation, distribution, money outflow, accumulation in, step by step they distribute. That's why, guys, yes, can they pump the token to these blocks with the high, and all retails will start post what? Based on some TA, we break the new all-time high and it should go higher. Basically, there's no make sense. Is it possible? Yes, of course it's possible, guys. No make sense. Ask even this type of questions. Yes, this is what I'm looking for. So now I'm not recommending now. I don't give any recommendation, but personally, if I could target this token, I'm just better wait again, or zone of interest, or at least the monthly open, weekly open. Now I don't see any reason to buy the pump. And because, guys, if you skip some token, if you miss some token, it's okay. You can't buy every single token. Here, 12-hour time frame, time to buy, take profit, sell, put the price higher, no signal to sell yet. Again, on 12-hour time frame. Here is a buy confirmation today on a daily, if you trade on a daily. Here's a take profit soon. Yes, they can see the consolidation, put the price higher, and we will see the signals to sell. Depends of your time frame, what you trade. Here's the accumulation, take profit, sell. Now no signal to buy, because everything should be in time. And the last, guys, indicator is take profit. Of course, I understand this is a maybe boring video, not so attractive, not engagement, because every single crypto influencer should shield you up only charts and share only the video where to buy. But the market doesn't work like this one. We can buy and sell. Buy line now on 4 time frame at 0.2027. I'm not sure we're gonna drop once again to that block, but it's possible. 12 time frame 0.2023. Hard to believe we're gonna drop to this area. It's possible, and yes, if we will, you know, we form double bottom on the weekly time frame even. But the lines are dynamic, guys. And here till 17 September, you know, it can be this move, even this move. So just in case, the lines are dynamic. 1 hour time frame, I guess a little bit higher than. Oh, here we didn't touch the take profit. So here take profit is exactly in a zone of distribution. 0.0667. This is a take profit, and here's the exit line 0.2076. Buy line now on the 1 hour time frame, exactly on a monthly open. So just in case, guys. So depends of your time frame, depends of your risk money management. Just mark your zone, comfortable zone for you personally, and follow your plan. So this is an update. The main conclusion, guys, the Upbit listing, it's so rarely the bullish driver for the price. It's bearish. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in a comment what you think about a pump. Do you accumulate it, just talking in this area or not, or you wait lower? Do you fix the profit now or not? If you'd like to trade as my customer, I would show it in this video. Just write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.